All it's been doing is raining like mad, and then we've got a big problem. Now, a lot of you have commented saying this could happen, and it's only ever happened once before, but that was in February. It's never ever had this much water, but look here. The water level now is here. It's right up the step. We're getting very close to flooding now. So we've got the Lancaster bomber in for a major service, the 8-foot Lancaster. The 3CX is in a million pieces, the old one. And now we're going to have to bend up a support to go round the well, so the pipe comes up, back down and back round to ground level. Right, I took the door off to get this tube down, but without the door on here, it doesn't feel so safe coming down here, I can tell you. Right, this is straight off the welder. Still steaming at that end. Try and get this down here now. This is just down the road from the bunker.
Oh my goodness.
Hey Oliver.
That was the biggest one.
That's a pipe working. Pumps on the end. Down there. Sockets up here. Let's see what happens. Now obviously that's going to go straight back in. That's working pretty good really, isn't it? We need to connect this blue pipe on now. That's the pipe on. I think we've got some problems with this pipe. I need to go out and replace that pipe and get it to go the other side of that fence, and then that's all good. That'll go down the road. Let's have a look how the pump's going on down here then. This is so. Here's the pipe here. The water level's already come. We've come an inch down already. There's a pump down there. Looks like it's leaking a little bit from where it joins, but as soon as that float gets low enough, this should stop anyway. So I'm going to leave it running, and then we'll come have a look in a bit and see how it's got on. We just had a brew. The pump seems to have stopped. It's not running on that pipe anymore. So let's have a look how she's got on. It's only been 5 minutes, maybe 10, I can't remember. And look at the difference already. So the water was halfway up that step. Now we're right down to where we were the other day really. The pump's got a float on it. So as soon as that gets more water, it turns the pump back on. This is working perfectly. So we've saved the bunker. We can carry on the tunnel dig. See you all in the next one. Thank you.